Why is Yakutsk the coldest place on Earth? Yakutsk is famously one of the coldest inhabited places on Earth. And that's not an exaggeration. Winter temperatures there can drop below 50°C, 58°C. So, why is it so ridiculously cold? Here's what's going on. 1. It's way up north. Yakutsk is in the region of Siberia in eastern Russia, not far from the Arctic Circle. It sits at about 62°4 N latitude, which means it gets very little sunlight in the winter months. 2. Its landlocked big-time Yakutsk is far from any oceans, which means there's no warm ocean air to regulate temperatures. Water has a moderating effect on temperature, but when you're deep inland, especially in Siberia, the climate becomes extremely continental hot summers, brutal winters. 3. Surrounded by permafrost. The ground in Yakutsk is frozen all year round even in summer. It only thaws a bit at the surface. That frozen ground reflects heat, so it doesn't absorb warmth easily, which amplifies the cold. 4. High pressure equals no clouds equals no insulation. In winter, cold high-pressure systems dominate the region, creating clear skies and no cloud cover. No clouds at night equals heat escapes fast into the atmosphere and the ground cools off rapidly. 5. Low angle of sunlight in winter. The sun barely rises above the horizon during winter months, so even during the day, it provides minimal warmth. Yakutsk is cold because it's far north, far from oceans, built on permafrost, and has dry, clear winter weather that lets all the heat escape